Guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel if this is your first time on this channel, and share this video. Also like this video also. All right, so we'll be looking at how to design a 3D logo mockup using Pixellab without any additional app. So after opening your Pixellab, we'll be importing the material we'll be using for this design. So you can just simply check the description for this material. So I'll go to my gallery. So this is the material. You can just reduce the size from here. Then crop out this real estate. Crop it out this way. And then you adjust it also. Good. So you go down to color, tap here, then go to color and enable it. Select a white color. Good. So let's go to our text, go to A, select text, and we'll be editing this text to the name of this real estate agency. That's Abode Investment Agency. All right, so you can just bring it down here and then you change the font. So I can just go to font. I'll be making use of this font DPS Beyond, this font. So you can just check the link in the description. It will take you to the website where you can download fonts. So you can just search of the particular name of this font, which is DP DPSD Beyond, and download the font. All right, so I can just increase the size of this a little, then make it to be at the middle. I will probably make this to be at the middle. All right, so I'll take a shape, go to shapes, or you can simply take it from this plus sign, go to shapes, and then increase the width, the length, I mean this way, in such a way that it will be on the same line with the agency. Can you see that? So you can just reduce it like this, and then position it at the middle using this, and use this position to move it down. Continue moving it down until it appears to be on the same line with the last place of this real estate logo. So I can select it from here and then copy it, position it at the middle, and then I can use this to make it move faster, then bring it down to be under this way. All right, so this text I can just make it bold, go to bold and then make it bold. Good. So I'll be adding another text. I can just pick another text, edit it. That's real estate dealer, and then go to font. I will change the font to this font, days. Okay, can simply move it down just like we did for the first one. You adjust it in such a way that it will be on the same line with this Abode Investment Agency. I can use this to position it at the middle. Good. So I'll copy this because I'll be making use of this font. Then edit. We buy, sell, and resell lands. Good. Reduce the size of this a little, but it's looking so spaced out. So I can just reduce the spaces between them, between the words, using this feature. Go to spacing, select words, and then you reduce it this way. Good. Also use this position to position it at the middle. Good. So I'll copy this, but first let me move it up. Then I'll copy this, edit it again. Buy now, pay for 3 years. Good. Position it to be at the middle. Then you can just move it up a little. Good. So I'll be taking another material. So I'll go to gallery. So this is a WhatsApp logo. I'll be adding the information of this company. So I'll be taking my WhatsApp number as an example. I can just I want to erase this green color because we are not making use of any color green. So I can just tap on erase color, enable it, all the white color will go, then choose this green color and mark good. I'll go to color again. To make sure it's uniformly white, I'll select white all over. Reduce the size. So I'll just adjust it. Good. I'll pick another text, then edit. Like I said earlier, I'll add my phone number. Just add the phone number. Go down to bold. You can just make it bold. And then move it down to this place. Good. I'll pick another material. I'll pick this. This is to add the location of this agency. Then, just like I did before, change the color to white. And just move it down. Then adjust it. Good. So I'll copy this text because I would like to be using the same font. I can just edit it. The address of this agency. So I'll move it down here. So I can just adjust it. Can equally adjust this. All right. Is looking much better now. So what I'll do here is we are going to change the background of this design. So we are going to change it to transparent. You can just tap here and then select transparent. So it's transparent now. We are going to save it to our gallery. Save it as image. You can save it with medium since it's already in png. Also save it as project for reference purposes. You can maybe type in a state. Good. So I'll go here, I'll take another background. Okay, I'll delete this text and then tap here, tap on from gallery. I'll be picking the mockup I'll be using for this design. So you can simply check the description, everything is there. So this is it. Okay, since I've saved it, I'll go to my gallery to import the logo we just designed. I'll import this. All right. So you can simply just adjust it. Then you go to perspective, enable it, and then you adjust it in a way that it will lie as if is attached to this wall. This is it. Just make it to be uh to appear in a way that is lying on the wall. Good. Then I will take a stroke, add stroke to it, add a black stroke to it, and then add a black shadow to it also. Then you go down to emboss. This is emboss. Enable it, and then you adjust it. You can see that now. You adjust it to this degree, 353 degree. Good. Then you go to 3D shape, enable it. Once you enable it, you can copy it and just copy this. Just leave it here, and then you can use it to adjust this first one. Good. You can equally increase the size, then fit it in very well. Then over to this second one that we copied, you go down to the same 3D shape, adjust the Y rotation, reduce the size, and then you can just attach it here. Can see that. Good. So this is how this mockup was designed with only Pixellab. In as much as we can make use of other sites and other apps to design a mockup, but you can equally use Pixellab to mock up your logo. So follow on this channel, subscribe to this channel and like this video, and equally share this video and this channel to your friends that might be needing these tutorials. All right, and follow this channel or follow our videos up, because we'll be uploading more videos on how to do a mockup with other external sites and also with Pixellab. All right, so thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please share this video and equally subscribe to this channel. Thank you.